Like we tell our kids all the time, being great starts from the inside out. We take this to heart at Capri Sun. And while we'll always make great drinks for your family, we've been doing a lot to make our pouches even stronger too. We've researched and tested our pouches, even subjected them to more than a few bumps and bruises to make them stronger for when they get a little roughed up in transport or lunchboxes. But we're not stopping there. Every single ingredient that goes into our drinks goes through our safety processes. And we mean everything: our water, our juice, even the air. Good manufacturing procedures are a way of life around here. And that's why families have loved our juice drinks for decades. We want you to keep loving our drinks. And that's why our commitment to constantly improve is more than just a promise that we make to you. It's a source of pride for every person that calls Capri Sun home. It's personal for all of us, and we're always looking for ways to make our quality measures even better. Every day we take steps to keep our house clean, testing our products, our juice-making machines, and our environment. But sometimes tiny holes or tears can occur. We recommend parents gently squeeze each pouch to check for leaks. We know how much you care, and we mean it when we say we care too. We're always listening to you, and we're getting better all the time. To all the Capri Sun moms out there, thank you.